this is the summary of Act 3, Scene 4, and I like to call this Capulet's permission. So the people that are involved in the scene are Capulet, Lady Capulet, and Paris. So Capulet makes a really rash decision, and he basically makes Juliet's decision of marrying Paris on Thursday, literally within a few days. And his rationale was everyone is so sad because of Tybalt's death. You know what? And he basically says, you know what, Paris, you can marry my daughter to make things less sad. And really his rationale is he doesn't want it too close to Tybalt's death. So he says, you know what, let's push the wedding to be 4 days from Tybalt's death because he wants to give people time to mourn. In reality, it's a really bad plan, and Capulet sends his wife to talk to Juliet about the plans of marrying Paris. This all takes place in Capulet's home. This is a huge problem. The reason why this is an important scene is Capulet's final decision on this arranged marriage is so against the idea that Romeo and Juliet are already married. Juliet is already married. That would be so wrong before God, before just her family, but they obviously don't know that she's already married. So please read Act 3, Scene 4 and enjoy.